Welcome to Thena's channel. This is Farmhouse Kitchen Design Ideas, where you'll find the inspiration you need to transform your kitchen into a warm and inviting farmhouse-style space. Whether you're looking to completely remodel, add rustic charm, or simply incorporate cozy touches, this video will give you plenty of creative ideas. Farmhouse kitchens are loved for their timeless appeal, combining functionality with classic beauty. Picture reclaimed wood accents, vintage light fixtures, and charming open shelves that showcase your favorite cookware and decor. The natural tones, soft whites, and rustic elements create a welcoming atmosphere, perfect for gathering with family and friends. In this video, we've curated a collection of stunning farmhouse kitchen designs, from modern farmhouse looks with sleek finishes to traditional country kitchens full of rustic details. You'll see ideas for spacious layouts, cozy nooks, and unique features like shiplap walls, butcher block countertops, and farmhouse sinks that make a statement. Whether you prefer a bright and airy space or a more rugged, woodsy charm, there's something here for every taste and home size. We've also included clever design tricks, such as mixing textures like metal, wood, and stone, incorporating antique pieces for character, and maximizing storage with built-in cabinets and floating shelves. For small kitchens, you'll find ideas that make the most of your space while keeping that rustic farmhouse feel intact. So sit back, relax, and let these beautiful kitchen designs spark your imagination. If you're planning a kitchen makeover or just love seeing unique interiors, this video is made for you. Thank you for watching Farmhouse Kitchen Design Ideas. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and share your thoughts or favorite design ideas in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Enjoy the video and happy designing!